Birds and Keep. Episode 2. Bird's New Neighbor. Bird did not like having a neighbor. Keep was loud and he dropped acorns. I need a brick, said Bird. I think I go to the beach. Bird walked in the sand. He dipped his toe in the water. She ate a snack. I love the beach, she said. Just then, Bird saw something. There was a big hawk. Oh no, said Bird. That hawk will eat me. Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home. I saw a big hawk, said Bird. Oh no, said Kip. I don't like hawk. Where were it? It's good as the beach, said Bird. Will it come here? asked Kip. I don't think so, said Bird. This tree is a very safe place.